From the moment it was first teased, the 2026 Audi RS7 has had fans of performance sedans on edge. Now, we finally have a clearer picture of what's coming. And trust us, you're going to want to see this. Visually, the new 2026 Audi RS7 doesn't just turn heads, it commands respect. New spy shots reveal a wider, more aggressive front fascia, with a bold honeycomb-patterned grille and massive air intakes designed not just for show, but for serious aerodynamics. It's clear Audi isn't playing around. Signature quad exhausts? Check. A dominant rear diffuser? Double check. And whether you opt for the sleek sedan or the practical yet sporty Avant wagon, the RS7 means business from every angle. This is where the RS7 takes a major leap forward, or should I say, leap upward. Say goodbye to the old-school V8. In its place, a cutting-edge plug-in hybrid system rumored to deliver a staggering 725 horsepower. With the torque numbers spiking into insane territory, expect 0-60 in the low 3-second range, 0 lag, and instant on power thanks to the electric motor. And yes, it still comes with Audi's legendary Quattro all-wheel drive, now tuned even sharper for hybrid efficiency. And if that's not enough, whispers suggest a future RS7 Performance variant could push past 800 horsepower using temporary overboost functions. Holy speed, Batman! But Audi doesn't just build fast cars, they build smart, luxurious ones too. Step inside the RS7 and you're greeted by a driver-focused cockpit wrapped in Napa leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber finishes. The latest MMI system features a dual-screen setup, while the Audi Virtual Cockpit Plus puts critical performance data right in your sightline. Whether you're carving mountain roads or cruising the Autobahn, the tech keeps up with your drive. And with next-gen safety systems like Traffic Jam Pilot, Adaptive Cruise Control, and Lane Keep Assist, the RS7 keeps you safe without sacrificing excitement. Underneath is where the RS7 plays with the big dogs. Built on Audi's brand new premium platform combustion, PPC, a platform designed for lightweight rigidity and hybrid integration. Every twist and turn feels sharper than ever. Adaptive air suspension will come standard, adjusting ride firmness based on road and driving style. Optional dynamic ride control, DRC, will offer even more control, reducing body roll and keeping you glued through corners. Now, let's talk competition. The RS7 isn't just entering the ring, it's swinging for the title. It'll go head-to-head with the BMW M5, the AMG E63S, and the Porsche Panamera. Each of these rivals brings something unique to the table, but the RS7 is bringing hybrid power, razor-sharp handling, and Audi's signature elegance. And with both a sedan and an Avant version, it's got versatility others can only dream of. So when can you get behind the wheel? Expect a global debut in early 2025, with US deliveries starting later in 2026. As for the price, with all this new tech and performance, don't expect change from $140,000. But if you're chasing pure driving emotion wrapped in sophistication, this might be money well spent. The 2026 Audi RS7 isn't just evolution, it's revolution. A hybrid powerhouse built for drivers who want everything: luxury, brains, brawn, and zero emissions on demand. So if you're ready to put the pedal to the metal and watch Audi rewrite the rules of high-performance hybrids, smash that subscribe button and stay tuned. We'll be covering every update on the RS7 as it drops.